WT0496, Gemelyn Mendoza, 25 years old, single, college graduate, 3 years experienced helper caregiver in the Philippines. Tell me something about yourself.
I'm Gemelyn Mendoza. I'm 25 years old, single. I am from Candelaria, Quezon, Philippines. I am the eldest among the 4 siblings of my parents.
How many hours travel going to Manila?
From Candelaria, Quezon to travel to Manila, it takes 4 hours.
Tell me something about your helper caregiver experience in the Philippines.
My experience as a caregiver in the Philippines, I do some household chores, feeding, as well as getting the vital signs of an elder.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
I really know how to cook Chinese foods, but I'm very much willing to learn.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are gardening and pet grooming.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Of course, yes.
How about the elderly?
Yes, also.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Of course, ma'am.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
The steps for bottle feeding, first you are going to soak the bottles in a clean water, and then you are going to brush it and put some soap. After that, you are going to rinse, and after rinsing, you are going to sterilize the bottles for 15 minutes. And after that, you are going to formulate the milk.
Okay. If the baby still keep crying, what will you do?
The first thing that I will going to do is check the temperature of the baby. The next is that to think that the baby is hungry. At the same time, check if the diaper is wet.
If the baby has fever, what will you do?
The first thing that I will going to do is to call the parents and tell them what is going on their child.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes.
Okay, give me one example.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Very good. Do you have any other talents?
Yes, ma'am.
Example?
Example of this is I know how to sing, a
What
little
else?
bit dancing, and I have a green thumb.
Okay. If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will just focus on my work and think that this work will make my family earn money to have a better life.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract?
I will not break the contract because I know that it is my responsibility. I'll just call my relatives, my brother and sisters, and tell them to take care of my parents, and as well as I will send money for their hospitalization.
Good. What could you teach the children?
I can teach children good and moral values, as well as English language and mathematics.
How long can you work in Hong Kong, and why Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me to work, or I'll just finish my contract. Why Hong Kong? It is because I know that Hong Kong government has a very good law on human rights.
Message to be soon employer.
A message to my soon employer, please accept me to be your caregiver. Thank you.
Thank you very